Hospitals are often located in busy urban areas where patients require a quiet environment for recovery, making exceptionally low noise a critical requirement for power generation equipment. This generator site, customized for a Class 3 Grade A hospitals, is equipped with a professional soundproof canopy and an intelligent control system. Noise levels measured at just 7 meters away are approximately 7 decibel, comparable to an outdoor air conditioning unit, ensuring minimal disruption to medical staff and patients. As a direct manufacturer, Supermedic supports custom solutions who welcome inquiries from clients in need of reliable, quiet power systems.